This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find the mode in Microsoft Excel. There are two ways to find the mode. You can use the mode function, click on an empty cell. I'm going to click just below the data, type the equals sign, mode, open parentheses. And my data is in cells A2 through A11, so I'm going to type A2, colon, A11, close parentheses, and there is my mode, 45. I'm going to select the little square in the bottom, drag the formula over, and there is my mode for dataset B. The modes are the same for both datasets because 45 is the most common number appearing in both datasets. You can also find the mode using the Data Analysis toolpack. Click Data, Data Analysis, Descriptive Statistics, click OK. My input range, select the entire dataset. I'm going to exclude the bottom formula for the mode. My data is grouped by columns. I have labels in the first row, those are those column headers. My output range, just going to select an area to the right here and check the summary statistics box. Click OK, and there is my mode for dataset A and my mode for dataset B. That's how to calculate the mode in Excel. Visit us at statisticshowto.com for more Excel tips and videos.